Hello students, welcome to Science Based Learning with Ritu. Today I will teach you chapter number 2 of class 8, that is microorganisms. In microorganisms you will get to know that they live, how they look, or are they visible or not, about the classes of the microorganisms. Also in this video you get to know that because of such a minute or tiny microorganisms you are just locked in your homes, so that is coronavirus. So in this video I will explain you how that affects us and how rest of the uh, microorganisms affects us. So let us start. Maybe in the starting you are able to see a lot of pictures. So in between it is bacteria, and this is the structure of coronavirus. This is how our coronavirus looks like, and this is the mushrooms. It is a fungi. I will tell you about all the five major groups of microorganisms. So let us start. So first of all, what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are the tiny organisms which are present everywhere, but they cannot be seen with naked eyes. They are present around you, everywhere, near you, on your hands, on your table, on your books, on your skin. So they are present everywhere, but you cannot see them because they are microscopic. They are so small that to see them you have to use a special instrument called microscope, which is present basically in your laboratories in your school. So next is the branch of science that deals or that involves the study of microorganisms is known as microbiology, and the person or the scientist who study the microorganisms are known as microbiologists. Okay, next, where do organisms live? I have told you that they are present everywhere, in the air, in the water, around you, in in your body also. So they are present everywhere. They can be they can live and survive in almost all kind of environment, like hot springs, मतलब गर्म से गर्म जगह पे भी वो रह सकते हैं, and they can live in ice cold waters also. So you can say almost everywhere the microorganisms are present. They also occur in a dead and decomposed organic matter, whether it is a plant matter or an animal matter. Or in simple language, you can say that microorganisms are present everywhere, but you are not able to see them with your naked eyes. Next is I will tell you about the five major groups of microorganisms. We will study these micro groups in detail. First is bacteria, second is protozoa, fungi, algae and viruses. So about viruses we will study in last. About coronavirus, especially that figure which is visible, this is also the structure of coronavirus. And this is the bacteria. I will tell you about all types of bacteria, how they are useful, how they are harmful, how they looks like, how they used to live. Usually microorganisms live in a group that is called as colony. उसको हम colony बोलते हैं. वो एक cluster में रहते हैं, group में रहते हैं. They can be single celled और multicellular. Basically जो आपके बैक्टीरिया और जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, they can be unicellular. Unicellular means made up of just a single cell, and single cell is not visible with naked eyes, whereas they can be of many cells, that is called as multicellular. Multicellular organisms you can see with your naked eyes. Okay, like your mushroom is also a fungi. It is also a microorganism, but it is multicellular. Okay, so let us start. First with bacteria. Bacteria are very small, single-celled microorganisms which have cell wall but do not have any organized nucleus and other structures. So first of all, single-celled they are, and their body is so simple that they do not need any complex body, you can say, system. Like you all have animals have a proper respiratory system, digestive system, but the bacteria is very small, it is made of just a single cell, so उसको ऐसे systems की requirement नहीं होती. So that's why it do not have a organized nucleus as well as other structures. Bacteria are found in large numbers everywhere, in air, soil and water, every surface around us, on our body and even inside our body. There are a lot of bacteria which is present everywhere, even in our stomach also. So the pictures are visible. These is the structures, or you can say these are the shapes how bacteria look like. They can be road shaped, they can be owl shaped. Okay, next is, as I have told you, bacteria can, microorganisms can be useful as well as harmful. So bacteria, some bacteria are useful and rest are harmful. Only few microorganisms are useful for us and the rest are very harmful for us. Okay, so like two examples of bacteria which are useful for us are lactobacillus and rhizobium bacteria. Lactobacillus bacteria, बच्चे lactobacillus bacteria is present in our curd. Okay, and or you can say lactobacillus bacteria just help in the formation of curd. जो आपकी दही बनती है, that is because of the lactobacillus bacteria. Whereas Rhizobium bacteria is present in the root nodules of leguminous plants which help in nitrogen fixation. आपके जो प्लांट्स हैं दे नीड नाइट्रोजन फॉर देयर ग्रोथ. सो वो जो एटमॉस्फेयर की नाइट्रोजन है प्लांट्स कैन नॉट टेक एज इट इज़, उसको प्लांट एज इट इज़ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. सो व्हाट दे डू, आइदर वी स्प्रे द फर्टिलाइजर्स, या तो हम यूरिया डालते हैं या और फर्टिलाइजर्स डालते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारे जो प्लांट्स हैं उन्हें नाइट्रोजन मिले. वेयर एज कुछ नेचुरल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स भी होते हैं जो कि नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स करने में और प्लांट्स को अच्छे से ग्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं. उनमें से एक है राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द रूट नोड्यूल्स ऑफ लेगुमिनियस प्लांट स्पेशली लाइक योर ग्राम, योर बी, योर पी, योर पल्सेस. ओके, सो वो जो राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया है it just fixes the atmospheric nitrogen and make it available to the plants. उसको कन्वर्ट कर देता है कुछ ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस में जिससे प्लांट उसको बाय रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और उससे जो प्लांट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट कैन बी फुलफिल्ड. सम बैक्टीरिया कॉजेज डिजीज. there are many disease which were caused due to the bacteria like cholera. Cholera is a disease which is caused due to the contaminated water. जो गंदा पानी होता है उसके अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे डिजीज कोजिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉलरा. टाइफाइड, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, योर वूपिंग कफ, फूड पॉइजनिंग. आपका जो फूड खाना खराब हो जाता है जो कि हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ द फूड पॉइजनिंग हैपन्स. सो हाउ द बैक्टीरिया जस्ट डैमेजेस अवर फूड. सो फूड पॉइजनिंग के लिए भी बैक्टीरिया ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. सो देयर आर मैनी शेप्स. So I will tell you that the bacteria have many shapes. Usually I will tell you about 4 shapes. This is first the red. This is your spirella, that is spiral shaped. Spirella आपकी जो spiral shaped जैसे कि आपका spring होता है, something like that. ओके, सो ये जो फिगर है, इन दिस फिगर यू कैन सी दैट स्पायरला बैक्टीरिया इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द ब्लड स्ट्रीम. हमारा जो ब्लड है जो रेड कलर की आप ये देख सकते हैं, दीज आर द रेड ब्लड सेल्स RBCs. एंड द ग्रीन, दिस ग्रीन वन इज बेसिली. ये हमारी बेसिली शेप होती है, इसको आप रोड शेप्ड कह सकते हैं. दिस इज वॉयलेट कलर्ड, इट इज़ कोकी, दैट इज आउल शेप्ड. एंड or like your last is vibrio, that is your coma shape. जैसे कि आपका जो कोमा होता है, something like that. Okay, so these are the different shapes of your bacteria. There can be more shapes but only these are sufficient for us. Okay, now your next microorganism is protozoa. Protozoa are group of single cell microorganisms which are classified as animals. इन्हें हम animals बोलते हैं. They are found in pond, lake, dirty water, rains, rivers, sea water and damp soil. So where they are present, usually जो dark area, जो गंदी सी जगह होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे हमारे प्रोटोजोआ present होते हैं. Like your amoeba. Maybe you have studied about amoeba in your previous classes. It is a multicellular organisms which is present at the bottom of our lakes. Okay, so it is responsible for many disease. When we drink the dirty water containing the amoeba, it causes the infection in our small intestine, so it is responsible for causing various disease. Some common examples of protozoa are amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, euglena. This is euglena, this is amoeba, and this is paramecium. So these are the structures, or you can say the structures of the protozoa जो आपको दिखाई देते हैं when you used to study them using the microscope or the electron microscope, जिसके बारे में आपको आगे बताऊंगी. So इनका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो कुछ कुछ ऐसा दिखाई देता है हमें. डिजीज़ लाइक डायसेंट्री एंड मलेरिया आर कॉज्ड बाय प्रोटोजोआ. तो जो आपको डायसेंट्री हो जाती है, मलेरिया के बारे में बहुत से बच्चों ने सुना होगा. सो मलेरिया इज़ कॉज्ड बाय द प्रोटोजोआ. और कौन सा प्रोटोजोआ होता है वो? दैट इज़ योर प्लाज्मोडियम बैक्टीरिया, सॉरी योर प्रोटोजोआ की वजह से आपको मलेरिया होता है. और ये जो प्लाज्मोडियम प्रोटोजोआ है, इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द मॉस्किटो. ये मॉस्किटो की बॉडी के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, एंड मलेरिया इज स्प्रेड ड्यू टू द बाइट ऑफ फीमेल एनाफ्लीज एक मॉस्किटो की ब्रीड है जिसके स्टमक के अंदर प्लाज्मोडियम प्रेजेंट होता है, रिप्रोड्यूस करता है. एंड जब वो हमें बाइट करती है, देन दिस प्लाज्मोडियम एंटर्स इनटू आवर ब्लड स्ट्रीम एंड कॉजेज मलेरिया. ओके, सो मैनी प्रोटोजोआ, मैनी पैरासाइट causes disease like dysentery, malaria. Okay, plasmodium is protozoan which causes disease like malaria in humans. Plasmodium is also known as malaria parasite. इसके अलावा just for your knowledge I will tell you that this is a structure of trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is also a protozoa which causes a disease named as sleeping sickness नाम की एक बीमारी होती है जो ट्राइपेनोसोमा नाम के प्रोटोजोआ की वजह से होती है. और ये जो ट्राइपेनोसोमा है, इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ अ फ्लाई जिसको हम बोलते हैं सीसी फ्लाई, TSC. इसको हम बोलते हैं सीसी फ्लाई. जब ये फ्लाई हमें बाइट करती है तो इसकी जो इसके बॉडी के अंदर जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, वो हमारे ब्लड स्ट्रीम में एंटर कर जाते हैं एंड वी सफ़र फ्रॉम अ डिजीज़ नेम एज स्लीपिंग सिकनेस. ओके, सो thank you students. If you like my video, my session, please like, share, subscribe the channel and also share the video to your friends. Rest of the microorganisms we will study in more videos in another video. So in another video I will tell you about the rest remaining, like your fungi, like your alga and your viruses. And also I will tell you that how they are useful and how they are harmful with examples. And then the last topic of your chapter is food poisoning and then its preservation methods. Okay, so thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe.